Okay, welcome to my class. Are you watching my screen?
Yes, sir.
Welcome to my class. It's not.
My computer becomes slow. What is this? The topic is classification of elements depends on electronic configuration. We will classify elements depends on electronic configuration. We will classify compounds S block, P block, D block elements depend on electronic configuration. Like what is electronic configuration? You know this electronic configuration of how can we find the electronic configuration of element? You know these things. Okay, electronic configuration sodium. Sodium atomic number কত? What is sodium atomic number? Huh? 11. So what is electronic configuration sodium? 1s2 বলো 1s2 1s2
2p6
1s2 2s2 2p 6 then 3s1
3s1
দেখো this 3s1 this sodium last electron is enter in s orbital. Last electron enter in the s orbital. So sodium is s block element. Sodium last electron enter the, so sodium is s block element. S block element. Okay, sodium is s block element.
Yes, sir.
Element.
Element.
So what will be magnesium? Magnesium atomic number is magnesium atomic number. Magnesium. Do you know what is atomic number magnesium? Magnesium atomic number is 12. 12. So electronic configuration is 1s2 1s2 2s2
2p6
2p6
3s2
3s2 3s2. So magnesium is s block element or p block element or d block element?
block element.
Yes, s block element. Look, last electron is s orbital. Last electron enter in the s orbital. So this is s block element. Sodium magnesium is s block element. So s block magnesium is s block element. Now we see phosphorus. Look, the magnesium is group 1 element. All group 1 element is s block element. Group 2 magnesium, this is the s block element. Now I am doing this another element, phosphorus. Do you know what is atomic number phosphorus? Phosphorus atomic number
Phosphorus.
15. Phosphorus 15. So what will be electronic configuration? What will be electronic configuration?
1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2,
One
and 3d, 2s2.
one is two s two p 2p6 3s2
3s2,
3p the 2 2 4 and 6 10 and 12
yes,
3
and 3.
3. So last electron into p orbital. Last electron and then the p orbital. So p block element.
P orbital.
P block element. Phosphorus is p block element.
P block. Yeah.
Phosphorus is p block. P block. Phosphorus is p block element. Okay, phosphorus is group 15. Group 5 and 15 the same. They are p block element. Now I do this electron configuration. Argon. Argon, what is argon atomic number?
18.
18. Argon, this is 1s2 2s2 1s2 2s2
2p6,
2p6
3s2, 3p6,
3s2 3p
3p6.
3p6. So it is S block or p block element is the argon. Argon is the p block or S block element. Yes, good. P block
P block.
element because last electron enter the p orbital. P block element. The p block element. And now I do electronic configuration for iron. Do you know what is atomic number iron? Iron atomic number
F
26.
26. Good. 26. So it is 1 to 2s2 2p6 2p6 3s2 3p6 তারপরে 4s and 3d. Acha, what is this 20, this 6 electron? So last electron enter in the d orbital. So how many electron here? It is iron is which block element?
block element.
D block element. Okay, D block element. Okay, this is a D block element. So we will understand this is a D block element iron is. So we are finding here electronic classification of element depends on electronic configuration. So here we have found the electronic configuration of element depends on electronic configuration. Like sodium, atomic number 11, last electron enter is the s orbital, so it is s block element. Magnesium group 2 element, s block element. Phosphorus group 5 element, sp block element. Okay, iron d block element, last electron enter in the d orbital, so this is the d block element. So this is the group 1 element. Which are group 1 element? Group 1 element is hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cerium, francium. These are s block element. Group 1 all elements are s block element. Group 2 beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. They are also s block element. Group 3 or team boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. These are p block element. Group 4 is carbon, silicon, germanium, strontium, plumbum. These are also p block element. Group 5 is p block element. Group 6 or 16 is p block element. Group 7 p block element, and group 18 or 8 or 0 helium, noble gases are also p block element. Okay, this the right hand side all elements are p block. Left hand side this group 1 and group 2 is s block element. In the middle this element are this element are d block element. These are d block element like scandium to zinc. This in the middle this element are d block element. At the bottom two groups element. First group is lanthanide series. These are p block f block element. These are f block element. This lanthanide series and actinide series elements are f block elements. You see the last electron and the f orbital. Lanthanide to lawrencium, these are lanthanide series element. This f block element are lanthanide series element, and actinide series element also f block element. Okay. So I have a question, give answer. Silicon is the s block, p block, or d block, or f block element. Silicon. Look, this is the silicon. Is the s block, d block, or f block element? Silicon. Hello, student listening me? Is the silicon s block or p block, d block, or f block element? Silicon?
S block.
Key block? Honey. It is key.
S block.
না
P block sir, block.
P block আমি বলেছি না এগুলো লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডে যেগুলো সেগুলো P block আর রাইট সাইডে গ্রুপ 1 গ্রুপ 2 তে যেটা আছে এরা S আর মিডলে যেটা আছে এগুলো কি ব্লক আর নিচে যেগুলো আছে ল্যান্থানাইড সিরিজ আর অ্যাক্টিনাইড সিরিজ এলিমেন্টস এগুলো হচ্ছে F block এলিমেন্ট আমি আরেকটা বলি সোডিয়াম হুইচ ব্লক এলিমেন্ট সোডিয়াম which block element? Sodium.
Sodium S block.
হ্যাঁ সোডিয়াম একদম গ্রুপ 1 আছে গ্রুপ 1 এবং গ্রুপ 2 তে যারা আছে এরা এস ব্লক এলিমেন্ট আমি বলছি তো এগুলো Sodium, this is a group 1 element. Have you seen sodium? Group 1 element, group 1.
Sir, I'm your
Group 1 and group 2 are S block elements. So sodium is S block element. Chlorine, which block element? Chlorine. Chlorine, which block element? Chlorine, which block element? Chlorine. কেউ পারে না এখানে। ক্লোরিন হচ্ছে পি ব্লক এলিমেন্ট। আচ্ছা, এখানে মাঝেতে কি দেয়? টাইটেনিয়াম বা টিটিনিয়াম বা ভ্যানাডিয়াম। এই যে ক্রোমিয়াম কোন ব্লক এলিমেন্ট? হুইচ ব্লক এলিমেন্ট? ক্রোমিয়াম। এই মিডিলে যে আগগুলো আছে সবগুলো ডি ব্লক এলিমেন্ট। ক্রোমিয়াম কি ব্লক এলিমেন্ট? বাকিরা কেউ তো কথা বলতেছে না। আচ্ছা, ডি ব্লক এলিমেন্ট বুঝতে পারছি।
ব্লক
খুবই বাজে নেটওয়ার্ক। ওকে, ঠিক আছে, নেটওয়ার্ক ডি ব্লক এলিমেন্ট, ক্রোমিয়াম ইজ ডি ব্লক এলিমেন্ট।
স্যার মাঝখানে যেগুলো সেগুলো কি ডি ব্লক?
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, শোনা যায় না ওকে। নেক্সট বাই টপিক পিরিয়ডিক প্রপার্টিজ। আচ্ছা, পিরিয়ডিক প্রপার্টিজ the properties which are directly or indirectly related to their electronic configuration and show gradual change when moved from left to right in a period or top to bottom in a group are called periodic properties. Periodic properties show variation with change in atomic number. Periodic properties show variation with change in atomic number. Some important periodic properties are electronic configuration, ionization energy, electronic affinity, electronegativity, metallic character, nature of oxide, oxidation state, reducing character, etc. की periodic properties. Specific refractive index की properties না। এগুলো পরীক্ষা রাখতে পারে। which one are periodic properties? Periodic properties কোনগুলো? Ionization energy, electron affinity, electronegativity, metallic character, nature of oxide, oxidation state, reducing character, এগুলো কি periodic properties. What is periodic properties? The properties which are directly or indirectly related to their electronic configuration and show gradual change when from left to right in a period or from top to bottom in a group are called periodic properties. So it is directly dependent on the electronic configuration. Periodic properties are directly related with the electronic configuration and it gradually changes when we move from left to right in a period. And this is the period. Do you know this group? Group is the vertical column is group. This is the group 1. This vertical column is group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, or group 6 or 16, group 7, group 8. Okay, group 6, 8 or 18, these are column, or this vertical column are group. This in a group and period is the horizontal rows. Period 1 element is hydrogen and helium. This is the period 1 elements. Period 2 elements are lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. They are period 2 elements. Period 3 elements sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Period 4 elements calcium, potassium, calcium, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton. These are period 4. So horizontal rows are called period and vertical columns are called group. So this periodic properties changes in a period from left to right. If we move from left to right, right to left, periodic properties changes in a period. And if we move from top to bottom or bottom to top in a group, periodic properties changes. So what is periodic properties? Periodic properties, the properties which are directly or indirectly related to their electronic configuration and show gradual change when we move from left to right in a period or from top to bottom in a group are called periodic properties. Okay, this is the definition of periodic properties. Okay, which are periodic properties? Periodic properties example: electronic configuration, ionization energy, electron affinity, electronegativity. Okay, so I am asking you a question: what is periodic properties? Give examples. Say.